Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace your front brakes on this 2015 Acura TLX. The first step is to remove your brake returning screw. It is a Phillips head. I'm gonna use an impact screwdriver to remove it. I'll post the link in the comment section below for that tool. The idea is to put it on the screw and hit the head while you're turning it with a hammer. I couldn't show it to you because I need a milder hand. And now let's remove the caliper bolt. They are 70 millimeter. Let's take our caliper out. And now we're going to compress it. Make sure the piston go all the way in. You can use a C clamp to compress the caliper. This tool is not really needed. If you have a C clamp, you'll do the job just as well. Now let's remove your anti-drag clip. Make sure when you buy your brake pad and holders, it comes with those anti-drag clip. If not, you might have to reuse them. So now let's remove the brake pads. I'm replacing them because of a pulsation, and they were a little worn on the inside. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 90 millimeter. Now let's take the old rotor out. And the next step is to clean the hub. You can use a wire brush or use this cookie wheel. Make sure you wear your eye protection while doing this. Now we're going to remove the old hardware. And we're going to clean the caliper bracket. You can use the wire brush for this as well. Now let's grease the push pins. No, not the push pins, the slide pins rather. And put them back together. Let's install a new water. Make sure you clean the water with brake clean or soap and water, because when all of the bugs, they do have a protection film on them. It was protection film, so you have to take it off with soap and water or brake clean. Now let's put our new hardware. They only goes in one way, so you really can't screw that up. They're pretty easy to do. Good. Now let's install a caliper bracket and put the bolt in. Now let's grease the top of the brake pads, just that part. There you go. Now we're going to put the top bolt on the caliper, and you're going to install the anti-drag clip. The anti-drag clip, when you put it on, the brake pad have a tendency to pop out, the caliper bracket. So you're gonna have to put the one on top first and hold the brake pad in place while putting the second one at the bottom, and hold it at the bottom and slide the caliper over it. So and take your finger out, obviously, so the brake pad don't pop out again. And that's it, guys. All you gotta do now, get in the vehicle, make sure you pump your brakes, brake pedal, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.